Hi, this is Matthew Park from the YLOC. This is the 7th grade lesson 25 video. Let's get started with number 1. Marsha bought 6p kilograms of apples and put them in 2 bags of equal weight. The expression 6p over 2 represents the weight of one bag. Which of the following expressions also represents the weight of the bag? Well, we have the expression 6p over 2. To simplify this, we can divide the 6 with the 2 because they're both constants. If we do that, we get 3p, as 6 divided by 2 is just 3. This means our answer would be B. Let's move on to number 2. Which expression is equivalent to the expression below? We have 0.4 multiplied by 8k. Again, what we can do here is multiply the non-variables or the constants together. That means we can multiply 0.4 by 8. And if we go ahead and do that, remember to carry over your decimal, we end up getting 3.2, meaning that we can simplify this into 3.2k. That would make our answer B. Let's move on. Ryan had T toys in the store. He sold 3 out of 4 of the toys of T toys. The expression T minus 3 over 4T represents the number of toys left in the store. Which of the following expression also represents the number of toys left in the store? Well, in this problem, we have the expression T minus 3 over 4T. One way we can rewrite this to make it a little bit easier to solve is that it's really 4 over 4t minus 3 over 4t. Remember that there is a 1 we can multiply into the t by itself, and it would still mean the same thing. And we could rewrite 1 as 4 over 4. These are both the same thing. So rewriting the 1 into 4 over 4, we can easily solve this problem by subtracting 4 out of 4 by 3 over 4, which really just gives us 1 over 4t, or t divided by 4. This would make our answer B in this problem. Let's move on. A bottle of soda contains B liters of liquid. The expression 8 times 6B shows the amount of liquid in 8 6-packs. Which expression also represents the amount of liquid in 8 6-packs? We have the expression 8 times 6b. What we can do again is just multiply the two numbers or the non-variables together. We know that 8 times 6 is 48, so this just means our answer would be 48b. This would mean our answer is C. For number 5, which expression is equivalent to the expression below? We have 10n over 5. Again, all we need to do is multiply the two non-variables together, and we know 5 divided by 10 is just 2. This means our answer would be 2n, which means it is C. For number 6, Jordan weighs 9w kilograms and Sanjay weighs 3w kilograms. The expression 9w plus 3w kilograms shows how much they weigh together. Which expression also shows how much do Jordan and Sanjay weigh together? We have this expression, 9w plus 3w, and this one is also pretty simple. All you need to do is multiply the two numbers together. Add the two numbers together. We know that 9 plus 3 is 12, meaning that we can simplify this into 12w. Essentially, whenever you have two numbers with the same variable, then you can just add them together to simplify the coefficient of the variable. In this problem, our answer would be D. We can move on. Solve the linear system using substitution. X equals 17 minus 4y, and we have y equals x minus 2. Well, this might seem tricky at first, but what we can do is that we can utilize this expression, y equals x over 2. If we know that y equals x minus 2, and we pull down this one, x equals 17 minus 4y. If we know that y equals x minus 2, what we can do is that we can replace this y with x minus 2. So we could really rewrite this as x equals 17 minus 4 times x minus 2. In this case, y and x minus 2 are the same thing, because essentially what this second expression here is saying is that y is equal to x minus 2. Now we have an equation we can solve because there's only one variable. So if we go ahead and solve this, we can multiply the 4 into the x and the negative 2. If we go ahead and do that, we get 17 minus 4x plus 8. We can simplify that by adding the 17 and 8 together, and we get 25 minus 4x. We can add 4x to both sides to get 5x is equal to 25, and we simply divide by 5 on both sides to get x is equal to 5. Now that we know x is equal to 5, we can substitute x in our very first equation with 5 to find out what y is. We know that y is equal to x minus 2, and since we just solved for x, we can replace this x with a 5. This gets us y is equal to 5 minus 2, and we get that y is equal to 3. So we now know that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Essentially what we did is that we found that y is equal to x minus 2, and we first replaced this y in the top equation with x minus 2. This allowed us to see what x is equal to, and then we substituted one more time in the bottom equation right here and replaced x with 5 to find out what y was. That'll be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and thank you.